I'm sorry if the movie scared you. I'm proud of you for making it all the way through. I'm so glad that you trusted me. Oh, oh, this is my favorite. I have one more thing to ask you. Do you trust me?
Try the soup.
I'll pass, thank you.
Oh, I insist. It's the best soup eats of the Mississippi. Trust me.
No. Not this time.
Can I get you a drink then?
How about whiskey? Neat.
You must know we're not allowed to keep that kind of stuff in the home.
Oh, I won't tell. Trust me.
Yeah.
Wow. Would you look at that?
Normally I am quite modest, but I must say, this is some of my finest work.
Oh, I can tell. Detail's phenomenal. Just like I remember.
He's beautiful.
What about that one?
I'm still working on him. He hasn't been able to spread his wings yet.
Say, Ben, how long did it take you to get down here?
13 hours.
13 hours? For a bird? What's so special about it?
Call it sentimental value. Bound to my memory.
Well, the only memory you're gonna be having of this place ain't of a bird, okay? It's of the sauce you're about to taste.
He's got the best sauce east of the Mississippi.
You know, back at County, they used to call me Izzy Flay.
Isaac shares a similar sense of craftsmanship.
What do you do?
I need to ask you something.
Felix.
Just a small favor.
Felix, we talked about this.
No. Perfectly all right. Continue, Felix.
I'm afraid he's gonna ask you to do something illegal.
I need you to get this to my daughter. It's on your way back.
I do not know or condone anything about this request.
I'll do a glass of water, actually. If you don't mind, Isaac.
And perhaps some music while you're at it. This is my favorite.
Felix, why can't you just bring it to her?
Are you gonna help me or not?
Why don't you just mail it to her?
Because I can.
Why? What did you do, Felix? worthless.
Sorry about that.
Like I said, any requests he's got, we are not involved with, okay?
Water under the bridge.
Because I am not going to get in trouble for something he asked you to do, all right? I shouldn't even be here. It was a setup, all right? And I mean, I didn't do anything wrong.
Say, Isaac, the water's really going to town there.
No! I forgot the salt.
No worries, mate. I'll show you a trick. Trust me.
What?
I'm sorry the movie scared you. Proud of you for making it all the way through. I'm so glad you trusted me. This is my favorite part. I got one more thing to show you. You trust me?
Benny, haven't we suffered enough?
No. I don't want you to suffer.
I just want to see my daughter, man. Please. Please.
Why? So she can spread her wings? I drove 13 hours.
Praying. Hoping. Traffic. A collision. A flat tire. Would stop me from doing this. But here I am. Unobstructed. Ahead of schedule.
I already lost everything.
Not yet. You're taking over. I'm doing this. You gotta get on.
I'll be right back. As soon as you know he's back here, you know, like kind of look up and just be like,
Right now,
give it a second, just be like,
knock on the door.
yeah, he's awfully early. Just keep petting the bird.
Awfully early.
Like that. Yep. Chop, 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 chop. Perfect. That is exactly what I want. Yes.
10 pesos ton at 5.
Just wait 1 second after I talk for editing.
No. Like, go for it. Let's get the shot. You know what I mean?